Genesis chapter 5. This is the book of the origin of men, in which day God made Adam. According to the image of God he made him. Male and female he made them. And he blessed them. And he named his name Adam, in which day he made them. And Adam lived 200 years, and he procreated a son according to his shape, and according to his image. And he named his name Seth. And it came to pass, the days of Adam which he lived after his procreating Seth, 700 years. And he procreated sons and daughters. And came to pass all the days of Adam which he lived, 900 years, and he died. And Seth lived 200 years, and he procreated Enos. And Seth lived after his procreating Enos 7 years and 700, and he procreated sons and daughters. And came to pass all the days of Seth 900 years, and he died. And Enos lived 190 years, and he procreated Canaan. And Enos lived after his procreating Canaan 15 years and 700, and he procreated sons and daughters. And came to pass all the days of Enos 5 years and 900, and he died. And Canaan lived 70 and 100 years, and he procreated Mahalaleel. And Canaan lived, after his procreating Mahalaleel, 40 and 700 years, and he procreated sons and daughters. And came to pass all the days of Canaan 10 years and 900, and he died. And Mahalaleel lived 65 and 100 years, and he procreated Jared. And Mahalaleel lived after his procreating Jared 30 and 700 years, and he procreated sons and daughters. And came to pass all the days of Mahalaleel 95 and 800 years, and he died. And Jared lived 62 years and 100, and he procreated Enoch. And Jared lived after his procreating Enoch 800 years, and he procreated sons and daughters. And came to pass all the days of Jared 62 and 900 years, and he died. And Enoch lived 65 and 100 years, and he procreated Methuselah. And Enoch was well-pleasing to God. And Enoch lived, after his procreating Methuselah, 200 years, and he procreated sons and daughters. And came to pass all the days of Enoch 65 and 300 years, and Enoch was well-pleasing to God, and he was not found, for God transposed him. And Methuselah lived 80 and 100 years, and he procreated Lamech. And Methuselah lived, after his procreating Lamech, 80 and 700 years, and he procreated sons and daughters. And came to pass all the days of Methuselah, which he lived, 69 and 900 years, and he died. And Lamech lived 80 and 100 years, and he procreated a son, and he named his son Noah, saying, This one will rest us from our works, and from the distresses of our hands, and from the earth of which the Lord God cursed. And Lamech lived after his procreating Noah 565 years, and he procreated sons and daughters. And came to pass all the days of Lamech 753 years, and he died. And Noah was 500 years old, and he procreated 3 sons, Shem, Ham, and Japheth.